Hi y'all! Today we're going to be making some sweet potato bread. For this we got some baking soda, we got some cinnamon, some flour, some sugar, salt, nutmeg, eggs, some olive oil. And I'm using frozen sweet potatoes just because I'm lazy. But before we get to cooking, we're on the road to 1,000 subscribers, so if you want to learn a new recipe every week, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and let's get to cooking. Alright, so in our mixing bowl, we're going to start with 1.5 cups of sugar, half a cup of our oil, third of a cup of water, 2 eggs, 2 large eggs, go with half a teaspoon of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of nutmeg, a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt. We're going to go ahead and start getting this combined. Then we're going to want enough sweet potato for about 1 cup, give or take, of mashed sweet potato. You want about 1 cup of mashed sweet potato. We're going to go ahead, get this combined. Now we're going to take 1 3/4 cup of flour. Now we're going to go ahead and get this well combined. Now we're just going to go ahead and make sure all this flour's in. Now we're going to move over to where we have a loaf pan. Alright, so we went ahead, lightly greased our loaf pan. Now we're going to throw this in the oven at 350 degrees for about an hour until you stick a toothpick in and it comes out clean. At that point, I will bring you back. Alright y'all, here we have it. Well, we just pulled it out of the oven, toothpick came out clean. We're going to let this sit for about 5 minutes before we try taking this bread out of here. At that point, I'll bring you back. Alright y'all, there's our loaf of sweet potato bread. We're going to go ahead and let this cool down to room temperature for a few hours. But once it's cooled down, I mean, you could cut this and let it cool a little bit more, but then you could slice it a little butter, a little hot bread as well. But if you like this video, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe button down below. There's a video over here that YouTube thinks you should watch. And until next time, keep on cooking on.